So this is my very first time trying to do a voiceover. So we're gonna go to convert.io. You're gonna select the picture that you want. Upload it, convert it to an SVG. Download, save it. And then I'm going to go to Tinkercad. Create 3D design. Top right corner, import. Choose the SVG that I want to import, that I just converted. And scale it to the size that you want. And then, boom. You can export that just as is and have just the blank file. Or what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a backing to make a type of badge. So we'll take our solid block, stretch it out, lower it. So I put the solid block at 1 millimeter high, the logo at 3 millimeters high. Around the edges, a 5 millimeter radius. Select the whole thing, merge it into one, export STL, and it didn't seem to work the first time, so you might have to click it for a second. You can rename it in the top left corner. And then I'll go into my 3D slicer. Import the design. And then if you have an AMS, you can go in and do custom color fills. And that's how you make your own custom 3D logo.